Captain, the tide is high and our charts are already marked. Let's map out exactly how to use already before we set sail. Meaning 1, before now, earlier than the present. Already means something happened before now. It's done. Example, we have already packed the maps. Common use, already finished, already done. Meaning 2, sooner than expected, expressing surprise. Already can show surprise when something happens earlier than you expect. Example, you're back already? Common use, question plus already, so early already, finished already. Meaning 3, by a stated time, past anchor. Already marks that something was true by a certain time. Example, by sunrise they had already raised the sails. Common use, by sunrise already, by noon already, by then already. Hoist the questions, Captain. Prove you can place already before the wind changes.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
Fine work, Captain. Your answers were already on course. Name the next word, and we'll navigate to the next island together.